What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a huge plug that you can use to upgrade, update, and take your image, your graphics, and the content that you are sharing, even on social media with clients and so much more, to a whole nother level. Now, real quick, this channel is all about providing hookups, providing information, providing insight, tips, just advice, thoughts, things that I've actually learned firsthand from being a DJ and a business owner in a very complicated event kind of industry that I am so proud to be part of. I have spent greater than 15 years of my life inspiring people to think bigger, to do more, and to challenge the status quo in our industry. When I was a DJ coming up, resources like this, things that can be found on YouTube or even on this channel, never existed. So many people were so tight with their information. They never wanted to share. They never wanted to push people up. They were so quick to hate on or to throw shade at. And that's not what I am. That's not what this is about. And that's not what really benefits this industry. I think someone that has information that could benefit someone else that is either struggling with an existing business or entering the industry as a whole, sharing it, paying it forward helps people get further faster, and it helps us all collectively elevate the industry. And that's really the purpose of this channel. So that was a lot really quick in a little bit of time. But in this video, I said I was going to share with you a plug, a hookup, something that I think brings tremendous value to people in the DJ world, because DJing nowadays and being a successful DJ is so much more than walking into a venue with 2 speakers and playing music for 4 hours. I think to be a DJ, you have to be someone that understands a lot of different worlds. We as DJs wear a lot of hats. So I wanted to share with you a plug that I've now used for about a year, and I can share it with you confidently because I believe in this platform that I saw another DJ talking about. I went forward and checked it out. I didn't really feel it at first. Then I revisited it a couple of months later because I was having problems with Photoshop, which is a super cumbersome, super technical, super, advanced graphic program. Now, this platform is something I use when I do my podcasts, when I do my mixes, when I create graphics that we use for the company, as well as on our social media. This platform allows you to do story content and post content, and it allows you to do the thumbnails. Like all the thumbnails you see on my channel were created with this platform for the most part. This platform allows us to do photo booth footers. If we are on site at an event and there happens to be a misspelling, we can just log on to this platform. We can update and correct the issue. We could re-download it, and we are running within minutes with a correct or accurate whatever was missed when we first did it. The platform that I want to talk to you about is called Canva. And I'm going to put information in the description field down below where you can kind of sign up for this platform. I think this platform is an incredible tool, and it has an insane amount of value for people in the DJ space for a number of reasons. First and foremost, there is a ton of ideas on this platform, from presentations to social media posts to video content to intro, outro kind of content to products that can be printed to business cards to marketing and so much more. You can create social media posts. You can do video posts. You can do storyboard posts. You can come up with electronic press kits. You can do PowerPoint presentations, keynote presentations, and so much more on this platform. The cool thing about this platform, one, is the price. It's only like $119 a year for access to this monster universe of opportunity for you to create awesomeness for whatever it is that you have to do from a graphic design perspective. 2 is how easy this platform is to use. You can find your way through a universe of preset templates that you can update and adjust colors, images, or arrangement of the details or the components of that template to fit your brand, the event that you're doing, or your need. From post to promote, where you're doing your next bar gig or whatever, to things that you can do like the graphics on a screen. If you're doing screens at an event, you can find a ton of things for inspiration here. Another thing that I think is super, super dope, and this is like one feature that this platform has that I think wins and helps me specifically a lot, and that is it has the ability to detect where the main subject is in an image and remove the background. Man, I love being able to get super creative, and I think if you're someone that is looking to thrive in a DJ space, platforms like this and being aware and dialed into how to kind of create content that benefits you or promotes you or that helps you kind of send the message of what you can do out to the world is something that has tremendous value. The next thing that I think deserves at least a mention in this video is the universe of assets and kind of font library, the things that you can get. You have the ability of using stuff that exists in the Canva library, which has like hundreds of thousands of elements in it, from super cool fonts to cool effects on fonts to little icons that can be placed on images. Canva has a ton of content. Number 4 is it's web-based. So after you finish doing a template or creating a design, you simply can save it in your design library and you could revisit it in the future. So for me, someone that does a syndicated radio kind of podcast that goes out on a lot of different platforms, I like to keep things consistent. So I have like a one design that I use every 20 episodes. And what I do is I go back into this Canva app, I update the actual number and the title of that release for the podcast, and I render it out. It comes out right away, and it's something that I don't have to mess with creating something each and every time I go out. It helps me keep things consistent, and this platform helps me keep a backup in the cloud so I have access to it no matter where I go. I want to kind of dial this all back down to cost. Now, it's $119 a year. That's what the pro membership is. You get a lot of resources at your disposal for that investment. So $119, totally a lot. But for the cost, it's going to save you. If you think of creating a flyer with a graphic designer or something else, man, this platform is worth its weight in gold. So if you're someone that has struggled with creating graphics, creating promotional content, having trouble coming up with ideas for posts, this is the platform you need to kind of look at and hopefully check out. Now, Canva is the name. I'm putting information in the description field down below. I think it's gold aces, 5 stars. I think it's worth everything. I use it almost every single day and sometimes multiple times a day to create awesome. I use it for my DJ services. I use it for my photo booth business. I use it in my personal life, and I use it for our sales and marketing at SCE. And I think it's just worth its weight in gold. I hope that if you are someone that struggles with graphic design or getting things done in a timely fashion, that you have the ability of checking this platform out. It works on the web. It has an app that you can download to your phone, and you can do everything on your phone as well. And it is super, super robust and super, super powerful. Information is in the description field down below. If you have any questions or you want to kind of share something about the app platform or the platform itself, do so in the comments field down below. Be on the lookout for more content dripping right here in the days, weeks, and months ahead. And I appreciate you guys checking out this video right here about a plug for you to help take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching.